oras kaya kayo kabalen at kareng ega na ganang lulugod at susulong kay katamong pakamalang kulturang Kapampangan.
Tunay ang maging matas pangarap ng OK Musika Balen Advocacy, kaya may babalik yaw with a vengeance in OK Musika Balen Season 2.
Ulining alayong sawang suporta, babalik bigay kayo yung tagumpe at kalam ng OK Musika Balen.
Wow, syempre para king episode ay ni Silipan Tala ring maging highlights king first audition day ning All Kapampangan TV show OK Musika Balen Season 2. So bakit dali tamong audition?
Bakanta kita mo ng Nino ang pangno ka rin na dapat di kaya katamang bayong cast.
Nino ring cast at may audition?
May audition damo are the hosts, singers, at syempre yung dancers.
Kung ating audition, di ating audition masters?
Oo naman, syempre. Aro-aro, Nino kaya rin kaya katamang audition master sa rin, Miss Kakay. Tara, Silipan Tala, habang makatutok kayo, King.
OK Musika Balen Season 2!